is that we'll see each other again, and we'll play again. In the meantime, you want to have that good game as you play them the first time. Look at this. This is 9-0. Yan.
I don't think he had those tape dun sa kanyang calves. But because when you're having back-to-back games, it's a dami ng minuto na nilalaro niya, there will be some tightness.
Dapat tumatakbo na naman ng bossing. Bumaba na ang rain or shine. Here's Suerte on the other end. Quick release. It will work! It's 18-4. I'll be out for that one. Santillan, walang hesitation. Bang!
Oh, wow. Just having his best conference so far in his entire career.
Open shot, Borboran. Oh, yes.
Can't leave him open. Borboran has got that shot.
Na to, dalawang silip, gitna sa clock, kaliwa sa score. Right, Suerte finding a way to score. So the option is to execute it properly. There's a great pass. Asisio. He ran out of games na, They played 5, down to 6.
Paalala natin, yung ating tournament format. We've got 12 teams, 11.
Magkaibang hamburger yun. This is going to work.
Alam mo kung bakit? Kasi burger machine dati no PBL, dito naglalaro.
Dito yan.
At ang star player nun,
there's Jeffy Casio. Libre.
Just so good at that. Alam mo, nag-dribble siya pababa, pero iniisip niya na yung ginagawa niya And they're hoping itong si Macbello will find that confidence that he once had. Remember, nung pagpasok niya sa liga when he used to play for Blackwater, such a great player.
And also, FEU player din yan.
Yan sigurado tayo, FEU.
Sigurado tayo. Jeff Carriazo, minsan, ang meaning ko nito, may mga daya dyan yung hindi full yung pagkakasabi mo ng pangalan.
Or tawagin mo ng first name.
Okay, that's why. Or, Beckertang.
Or gawa mo na ng mas maikli.
Ng sobriquet or sa kung gawin na
Pwede mo kayang gawing James KKT?
Mas mahirap pa yun.
In the second half.
Nakalamang na itong rain or shine. Alam ko 1 point no? Sandali. Sino ito nasaktan?
Itong si Clarito ang napunta dyan sa sahig. Looks like he's holding on to his hand. 4? Sorry, 2003. So, flagrant foul penalty 1. On Escoto. Clarito.
May 0.5, may 5/10 of a second pa natitira.
Yes.